ice. You might lose your life. Keep my desert eagle on me, he not nothing nice. I just need one Glock, Nas need one mic.
I done did a lot in the streets and I'm fat. PTSD like I came from Iraq. You made it from the gutter, then I'm tipping my hat. Don't go big on me, you might get hit with this mat. I don't need no holster, you get burned like toaster. I don't drink no liquor, but I'm smoking no mimosa. We been getting that Jewish money, everything is kosher. Bought myself a Venador and bought my bitch a roaster. Drive my Lambo to the stove, I'm a wave with my doors. I'm on Glenwood, not the Ave, nigga the road. Talking on a pillow, nigga, that shit for the hoes. I never snitch on my enemy or my bros. I'm so 21, dawg, I'm so SG. I'm so 4L gang, I keep a Glock, not a XD. Hair so good, she not even white, I still call her Becky. Rich Mill cost so much, I can press